Hey everybody, what's going on? I just got my GH5s in the mail today and it's a Sunday. I was totally not expecting that. I was expecting it maybe Monday or not even that to be realistic. So anyway, I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you and we'll check out what's inside. And I bought this on Amazon on a massive deal. I saved like over $1,000. So I want to see if it's actually in the box. Based on some of the reviews, I kind of got a little nervous. So let's take a look. Oh, and before we start, I just want to say if you find the video entertaining and you like it, give it a like and subscribe and come on back for more. So, okay, here's the two boxes I got today. One is a lens and one is a GH5s. Let's open up the GH5s first. Oh, let's do the lens first. I can't do it. I'm kind of nervous about the lens too. This is a used product as well. It's a 45 to 150. I mean, it's not a used product as well. The GH5 is supposed to be brand new. Sorry, I did not mean to say that. This is used though. This was only not even $200, which is a pretty good deal considering it's about $400. Brand new. Dear valued customer, please see the description of our merchandise and white box packaging. The item is brand new, not used or refurbished. The lens was separated from an original manufacturer's kit bundle. The body of said bundle remains in the manufacturer's box. Wow, I thought I was buying a used lens. So that's even more impressive. I'm getting a brand new lens for half the price because it was separated from a kit box. That's pretty cool. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So that's what that looks like. I don't know if I did all that right in camera. I think I did. Must have been okay. I have to reframe it possibly. So that's what the 18 to 50 looks like. So far I'm happy. Put that aside over here. That out of the way. Now for the piece de la resistance. The GH5s. Panasonic Lumix GH5s. This does so far look promising. It is the GH5s. That's what's in the box. It says it's in the box. Alright, let's open it up. No time like the present. So far, so good. It's looking brand new. Oh my god. It is looking brand new. I was really worried. Oh my god. This looks nice and untouched so far. Here's the manual. Quick guide for 4K photo and different language manuals. It's in a nice little bag of some kind. Here you got the strap. GH5 strap. Oh, let's hold on for a second. What else is in here? Here we have the cable for jamming the time code. Here's the little clip for the HDMI cable. Here's a little USB charging block. USB cable. USB cable. Oh, I'm not sure what cable this is. This is it's a different. It's a mini USB-C to USB. Then we have your regular or a different type of USB adapter. Then we have your charger and the battery. And now, finally, for the camera. Let's see what the camera looks like. There it is. Looks pretty good. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm pretty happy so far. I just have to try it out and make sure it all works, but honestly this looks amazing to me. Feels amazing. It's a lot heavier than the G85. Not much though. Surprisingly small too. I mean, it feels nice though in the hand. I have a feeling I'm gonna really like this. So that's about all for right now. Like I said, like, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and make sure you come back for more. Thanks a lot.